This is a review for what we did the other day with the wonderful third graders. Here's my Neo. I'm going to review sending something to your teacher. Okay? So when you send something to your teacher, you start by turning on the Neo. The Neo, you can tell it's on when you see a blinking cursor right here. And you want to double check that you're in file spot 1. And how you can double check that is just by pressing file spot 1. Notice if I press file spot 2, it says opening file 2. We want to make sure we're in file spot 1. Now if your teacher says, I want you in file spot 8, press file spot 8. But if she says file 1, you press file 1. So I'm in file spot 1. I'm going to put my name. And this is a great story. Okay? You might have some more interesting things to say about that story, and I certainly think you would. So do your best writing, and then when your teacher says it's time to send to me your file, you use the command for your teacher, Commander Send. Now your teacher is going to open up NeoShare. Okay? So the first question will be, do you want to stay connected to your teacher's name? And I'm going to hit, the Y is selected, it's darkened, so I can just hit enter because that's what I want. It's communicating with the server, and I want NeoShare. Google Docs doesn't work, I want NeoShare. I'm going to hit enter. Type a file name and press enter to send. That's my file name, and let me show you what it's going to look like in NeoShare. If I press enter, there's my file name. Okay, so let me show you again how that looks up close. Okay, I'm going to repeat that. Here is my work. It has my name on it, and my teacher has said, will you please send me your work? So I'm going to hold the command key, CMD, and the send button. And the Neo will be communicating. And I want to send it over NeoShare. I'm going to enter a file name. And press enter. Press enter to continue. And now I'm back at my document. Now, if this isn't a file that you're going to save, you want to press the clear file button. When you clear the file, that will erase that work. Once you've sent it to your teacher, you can erase that work. So that's just opening the Neo, writing something, and sending it to your teacher. It's not something that needs to be saved and worked on again. Okay?